I made $1,200 in one day, and yes, at 60 plus. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step. If you're brand new, not techie, or have tried before and felt overwhelmed, then this is for you. Stick with me because I'm also going to reveal the one tiny step that I almost skipped that might have cost me that one day's income. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of two. I've been where you're at, wanting more time and income without the overwhelm. I've had a lifetime of chasing dreams, collecting degrees, and building business. Some of them gave me success, and some of them left me struggling financially, but I never regretted following my own path. When I reached the point where I needed to earn some extra income for retirement and extra savings, digital marketing landed in my lap. I didn't understand it at first. I had no experience, but the results have been life-changing. Now I'm here to help you build digital success and the confidence to make it happen. Most beginners get stuck trying to create their own product. Start with something that's already selling. Choose a done-for-you digital product with a clear problem and outcome. Make sure that there are testimonials and sales for this product and that people are having success. Look for a simple process, real testimonials, and ready-made assets like a website and emails. If the offer pays you from 100 to 300 to 600 or even 900 per sale, then in one day that could add up very quickly. That's how in a single day I earned $1,200. You're not guessing, you're aligning with something that's already in demand. You don't need to be the expert. You're just the connector. You're connecting what you have with people that already want it. I'll show you how to get people to find you with no ads in just 1 minute. Thinking this makes sense, but you want to see how it all fits together? Then download my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I used when I started, and it breaks it down for you step by step. Your business should work for you while you're out living your life. In digital marketing, we have something called a funnel. This takes people through a process because they want to learn what you have. They want to know more about what you're offering. Now, this funnel is a lead magnet, something that you're giving someone, and that leads them to a series of emails, which then leads them to purchase or for you to make a sale. This is called a done-for-you system. What's a lead magnet? A short PDF checklist that solves a tiny problem. Email sequences are a series of 5 to 7 short emails that allow people to learn more and more about what the product is that they're interested in. Automation means your follow-ups run daily, even when you're offline. This is how one day can stack multiple sales. If you can copy and paste and follow prompts, you can set this up. But how do we send people into the funnel for free? That's what we're going to talk about next. Ready to learn more on how this all fits together? Grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks it down for you step by step. Use attraction marketing. No ads, just authenticity. No chasing, no spamming, just let people come to you. Attraction marketing is simply sharing value and your personal story and letting people lean in to want to listen for more. You choose 1 to 2 platforms to start off on. I recommend a short form like TikTok and a long form like YouTube. You're going to tell one small story, a lesson learned, mistake, or a win, and then you invite them softly to download your free checklist if they want to learn more. Your lead magnet collects emails, and when you send emails, that builds trust. Your sales page converts them. That's how I wasn't even online the day I earned $1,200 in one day. You don't need to be perfect, just present. Your life experience is your edge. Think you don't have the time to do this? We have a 2-hour daily blueprint that's going to keep you on track and to keep you away from burnout. Want to see how this all connects? I've got you covered. Download my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact step-by-step plan I followed to go from zero to earning online. You don't need 8 hours a day to do this. You just need 2 focused hours a day. And that can be split up into 15-minute spots, 30-minute spots. It can fit in the pockets of your day. When you keep working your 2-hour workday consistently, that's what adds up into those magic $1,200 days, those earning while you're doing other things. I've woken up to 900 in my account several times, and that's one of the best things ever. You're going to learn that confidence grows from taking action, not perfection. Even pros get stuck sometimes. Here's how to make sure that you never stall. Need a clearer picture on how all these pieces fit together? Grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the same guide I use to get started, and it's totally free. Get the link below. The fastest way to slow down is to do it all alone. Surround yourself with mentors and a community that's supportive, that can answer your questions quickly when you get stuck. When you're in community with other like-minded people, you have so much support when you need it. You will get free training weekly. You will get mindset resets when fear pops up, confidence tools to show up on camera consistently. This is why I developed my top 10 style hacks to instantly elevate your on-camera presence. Get the link below if you'd like to download it. When you have the support of a good community and a great mentor, you're going to be steady, you're going to be confident, and the success is going to happen. One of the great things about being in community and having a mentor that's walked the path before you is that you can borrow their belief in you and their belief in the system, because they've had the success that you have not had yet. And so you can follow their path. If I can make $1,200 in one day using a proven system, then so can you. What are the steps for success? Begin with a product that's in high demand. Set up your automated system, share value consistently, stick with a 2-hour blueprint, and have a community and mentorship for support. What's holding you back from the free lifestyle that digital marketing can offer you? Comment below. I'd love to answer your questions and point you to the best resource. Grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below to see the whole process at a glance. And download my 10 top style hacks to elevate your on-camera presence. To feel camera ready in minutes, you don't have to be perfect, you just have to begin. Now that you know how I made $1,200 in one day from a proven system, you might be wanting to learn the easiest home business to start after 60. It all starts with watching this next video, because when you pair that with what you just learned, it's going to be way more powerful. See you on the next video.